Hello guys, welcome back to Get Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone is not vibrating while you're receiving a call and how you can fix it. So the first one is all about you need to try removing the case, because sometimes you might be using some kind of a magnetic case which even causes the issue up. So just remove the case and you have to check whether you are able to get the vibration hereafter. Because for many users, when they remove the case, it worked, so you can try this out as well. And also parallel, you can also try as the next one. That is all about you have to turn, and if the vibration is not turned on, if it isn't silent, then you will be having the trouble. So if you check over here in the segments, for example, till 14 Pro, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, you can see a particular button over here. So now the phone is not in silent, which is in the ring mode. And if you change this to down, it will be in the silent mode. So you have to make sure that you have to enable this one, and once afterwards you have to cross check whether the vibration is working or not. These are some of the basic steps which can be done. Still, if you are having the trouble, we can move to the next one. That is all about you have to make few changes in the haptic sound. For this, we just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here we have to navigate to sounds and haptics, and now from here we have to go to the haptics first. And always make sure that you set this to always play, and this is very important. You should not be keeping this to any one of the thing. Always keep this to always play. And now we have to go back, and the next one in the sound and haptics, we have to go over here, and there is an option called system haptics, and this should be turned on. If it is turned on, turn it off, we have to turn this on, and once afterwards you have to cross check and you have to see whether the issue is solved. Next one is all about nothing but we have to make sure one more thing in the accessibility. So just go over here in the settings and navigate to the accessibility. Now from here we have to tap on touch over here. Now from here we have to scroll down and make sure the vibration is turned on. If it is turned on, turn it off, we have to turn this on, and once afterwards you have to cross check this and we have to check and we have to try this out as well. Next one is all about we have to make sure that you should not be making you should not be doing the focus mode, should be turned off. If it is enabled, you have to turn this off. So just go over here in the focus, and also make sure if the focus is status on, you should be turning this off, which is very important. You have to turn this off, and also you have to turn off do not disturb mode. So both these things, turning on both these things can cause the issue up, so you have to turn this off as well. Next one is all about nothing but we have to make sure we have to turn off content and privacy restrictions. So tap over here in the settings. Now keep scrolling down and navigate to screen time, or just keep scrolling down and navigate to content and privacy restrictions. If it is turned on, we have to turn this off. And once you turn this off, we have to try, and that will be working fine as well. Next one is all about nothing but we have to do a force restart on your iPhone. So just press over here in this particular button, volume up followed by volume down. You have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. For many users, when they did a force restart, it even worked for them, so you can try this out as well. Try it with all these things. Still, if you are having the trouble, you can try these two steps which might work in sometimes it might work. So it helped many users. That is why we're recommending this at the last. That is all about. You can try either with the reset old settings. Tap over here in the settings, keep scrolling down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down over here and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, go for reset old settings. Once you're done with the reset old settings, we have to also make sure that you're on the software update, should be latest version. Make sure that you're having a connection, either you are connected to the Wi-Fi or should be connected to the cellular data. And make sure over here and go to the software update and just update your software. And if you're getting any pending update, just update to the latest version. And these possible workarounds can be done. And these are the possible workarounds can be done when you're having an issue. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.